Have you ever wondered how to create the perfect stem for your handmade flower candles? Today, I'll show you an easy but professional way to make a stem that adds both beauty and strength to your candles. Stay with me until the end because you won't want to miss a single detail. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Here, I share amazing candle making tutorials to help you create beautiful and professional designs. In today's video, we'll learn one of the most important steps in creating flower candles, making the stem. This is the first of two methods I'll teach you. The second method will be in another video, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's start by gathering the materials. Here's what you'll need to make one stem. 20 grams of beeswax, 5 grams of flower wax, paraffin, green color. Simple and easy, right? Let's move on to the steps. First, pour the beeswax and flower wax into a heat-resistant container. Place it on low heat until it's completely melted. Stir well to make sure the mixture is smooth. Once melted, add the green color and stir again to ensure an even shade. When the wax is ready, pour it onto a silicone mat. Use the back of a spoon to spread it into a thin, even layer. This step is crucial because the smoother your layer, the better your final stem will look. Let it cool and harden completely. After it cools, use a cutter to trim the edges and create a square sheet. The size of the sheet depends on the stem size you want, but we'll use a standard size for this tutorial. Now comes the fun part. Cut a wick to 22 centimeters and place it on the wax sheet. Slowly and carefully start rolling the sheet around the wick to form a stem shape. Take your time with this step to ensure the stem is smooth and even. To secure the end of the stem, apply a little melted wax to the tip and press it firmly. This ensures the stem stays in place and doesn't unravel. For a polished look, use a tool to smooth out any uneven areas on the stem. The top of the stem, where the flower will be attached, should be slightly tapered. Finally, lightly heat the stem with a lighter and use your hands to fix any imperfections. To keep your stem clean and dust-free, apply a little baby powder. This step adds a professional finish to your work. Congratulations! You've just created a beautiful and professional looking stem for your candle. This was just one of the 2 methods. I'll show you the second method in an upcoming video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Your turn. Take your time.